Hello, everybody. Hope you are doing well. Another week, another day. We are just starting right now. So today we started a little bit early. So hopefully, we can find some setup. It's like a starting of the week, always tricky. We don't know where the market is, where it's gonna go. So you can see like here, this two candle is actually a news candle. So like when they were talking about like Iran hit to one of the US frigate, I think that's what it is, like naval vessel like attacked. So that's why maybe this thing. So if you ask me, like so the week starting from here. So what is our plan? So our plan, I would say, up to now, my plan is like I would have to see how the today's range they create. Then tomorrow is the better day. So normally Monday is like tricky for me. I normally lose money, but hopefully it doesn't happen. So we'll see how, because we're gonna trade quick and then finish the day. So if you ask me, like I mean, I would expect more higher price because market is extremely bullish. So that one we'll see later on. The daily is working like that. So I mean, it doesn't mean that they will go high, high, high. They could even retrace back and take out previous days low here. They can not create this. Maybe they will not create this gap they're creating right now. Okay, so there is a even volume imbalance there. I mean, this is the jump of that days. The Friday's new day opening gap. So uh, they can retrace here as well. But I hope they just extend first, and then on Tuesday maybe. Because if you see my previous day's video, I was talking about this. This is the monthly. Okay, so the monthly candle, the previous month candle was like that. So now this month candle, I want it to be a little bit long and then give us a little bit of retracement to rebalance this area, so that this gap is not that big, at least like this. So this month I'm trading kind of a retracement. Not I'm not expecting it to be reversal or something. Just a little bit of retracement. Okay, so many things can happen, any news can do anything. Because quickly, let us discuss about where we are. I will talk about it. This one we'll talk about it later on. Okay, so this is the monthly. So let's do some a little bit of research. Look, I'm trading here by myself. Okay, so I'm like not teaching anybody. It's just me. What is my thought? In front of you, I might lose money. I'll make money, but I don't trade longer term. You already seen it. I mean, you guys already know that I just in and out, trying to keep it like a discipline. That's what I'm doing. So if I show you the where we are right now in this account we are trying to do, we already traded 10 days. So luckily all green days up to now. So this month we started with, I mean, fighting green. So that is my target, to be like a little bit green. Nothing else to do here. Okay. Some hopefully today. I mean, today started here, not there. This day is gone. So today, hopefully, we can start the month with. No, we already started the month. Sorry, we can start this week hopefully with green. So initial idea is like this. Okay. So hopefully, I get some trade downside later on the weeks, and then even it can be like I hope they stay bullish like this until the middle of the month, and then they retrace, and then maybe at the end of the month they ended up here. I don't know. We don't know. Lots of things can happen. Okay, because this market is now how they're behaving. Anything can happen. So this is the daily. Look at what is happening right now. Is there any kind of retracement? So my idea is like they give us a retracement here, and then they can go high or whatever. But if they extend, I don't know. It's very, very tricky. I told you, like, this is, I don't know at all. Another things, let's quickly dive into what is coming because we got some time. We got 15 minutes. So this is the economic calendar. So yeah, lots of people follow different places, and I just check this one because this one give me everything. So this is just not geopolitical news; it's just pure economic calendar. So what is it saying? Like this week, what we have today? Don't see any news. There is nothing. News means like I'm saying any high impact news. Let's say only factory orders. They're saying. I don't know what kind of effect it will do to our. So, we're gonna see only the red folder, okay? So, because these are the time maybe the market will expand. So, tomorrow we got some news. We got what is it? PMI. So, we got what is it called? ISM services PMI as well. Here, ISM services PMI. We got it at 10 o'clock tomorrow. So, okay, that one we just quickly having like a look what's going on. ADP, yeah, ADP employment change. We'll see on Wednesday. And some fair talking, nothing else I can see. Thursday we got challengers job cut 7:30, okay, and then this is the continue. Okay, Thursday non-farm productivity, okay, nothing else. Yeah, nothing else. And but Thursday will be critical, so we have to if we follow the protocol we should not even trade on that day. We have to be cautious, but we'll trade. Hopefully I up to that time, my account is still there. So then we got Friday is the big news coming up. So we got non-farm payroll. Very, very, I don't know what kind of things they expecting. Previous one was crazy. Like this, they're expecting like 60, it came like 178. And this economic news is just to know that when the market will move. Okay. So anyways, that's what I believe. That's what ICT told us to do rather than too much analyzing. Anyways, we have to know tiny bit as well. I mean, we'll try to learn slowly, slowly. So this is the week, first week of the May. So second week, what do we have? Second week we have. I'm just giving like a little bit of monthly review so that we know where we are. So this is nothing happening. Same thing. Monday, not that much news. CPI coming on Tuesday. So next week, Tuesday will be another day. Will be good hopefully. Then we got PPI. PPI on Wednesday. Perfect. Then what do we have Thursday? Thursday we have retail sales and nothing I can see. And then Friday as usual, University of Michigan sentiment, 10 o'clock. And there are 1 year and 5 year inflation expectation. So we'll see how it works out. Okay. So that is the Friday. So then the week will be in the midpoint of the week. Sorry, the month. The midpoint of the month will be that time. So then what else we have? So the next week. Next week, FMC Wednesday, we got FMC minute. So this minute is not that much important like the previous one. So I think this will be the summary. They will put it on. They had a meeting on 29th, maybe on April, when they did the interest rate. So this is the day they will publish the minute. So nothing could happen. Those are the weeks maybe we have to wait for geopolitical news. So then Thursday we got S&P services PMI. Okay, I mean yeah, this kind of news. Yeah, Thursday and the Friday nothing. So that week technically there is no news. If you tell me. So so we have to rely on either geopolitical things or otherwise the market could consolidate or something like that. And the next week, look, until Friday, we got what is it? PCE. So this is the current Federal Reserve's, preferred inflation. What is it called? The measurement things they follow. I don't want to know that too much things. So basically, last 2 weeks of the month, I don't see that much big deal. So that lots of geopolitical things can affect this month of trading. I'm thinking. Another things I think clearly we can see that I think I checked it from another uh, calendar where they said it on 11th of May, this day. So this day there will be like a vote for the new Fed nominee. So in the Senate they will do like a voting for the Kevin Walsh. I think he's coming instead of Jerome Powell. So I think he will be nominated. So that could be like an interesting day. So these are the things we need to keep in our head. So we'll go week by week. Every week, anyways, we'll see what happens. So it's already 17 past 9. So we're gonna wait for what happened. So today, I mean, no news. So we have to purely wait for anything. Somebody will say something, or somebody will say, "Oh, we bombed somebody." So practically, we are waiting for Trump to say something. President Trump, say something, give us a trade. Nothing else I can see. I mean, so economic calendar done. So there is no point of checking anything. So tomorrow we are waiting for some news. ISM. Wednesday, I'm just recapping back again. Okay, ADP. Thursday, dangerous day. Nothing there. And then Friday we got non-farm payroll. So this is the non-farm payroll week. I think as far as I remember, ICT said is Monday should be a good one on that week. Non-money, non-farm payroll, Monday should be a good one. I don't know. We'll see. But if you see like the ES as well, look here. So this is the daily ES and NQ. So NQ didn't retrace. ES already taken out the previous days low, and they traded already the midpoint of this gap. Can you see? So that's why I'm saying they could. I'm hoping they don't fall now. Today they create a range higher, and then tomorrow maybe or day after. I mean like Wednesday or Tuesday. I'm hoping they do something. Let's see. We'll see accordingly. So now I'm gonna a little bit check what's going on. Let's come back to our trading screen. So from this one we're gonna trade. I don't need this economic news anymore. So we are directly on our platform. So this is the daily. Let me see 15 minutes where they are. Tricky. And we have to be careful today. It's already 20 past 10 minutes left. So this is the one we are talking about, okay? So they came down to trade this gap. So the previous day, when they went high and then they created this range. Friday, if you check it, I tried to short it from here, this area. And the short was working, but then I had to go to work, so we went home. So they came back to this gap, traded. They left lots of liquidity. Now they cleared it with the news. So where they close, still didn't close on the midpoint. So this gap is holding, I have to say. So after that, they came down and then they created another gap here. So they are basically inside the new week opening gap price. So now what can they do? This gap, they already closed it. Like, I mean, 15 minutes will not understand nothing. So I better go to 1 hour, maybe a little bit. So then I'll understand. My mouse is creating problem. I have to change the battery. Hopefully, they don't stop like that. I mean, this gap is still holding. So these are all, there's some saying that it's problematic price action. I'm not sure what they're gonna do. Uh, S&P, this one taken out previous day's high and set it for a, like, this one if it is holding, then they can go down. But S&P didn't take out the previous day's high. So it's a little bit tricky today. I'm not sure, 50-50 everywhere. So, but if you ask me, I would say I would not say that they should fall now. I would say like they if they go up, I'll be happy. So that will be according to my thinking. But if they go down as well, will I not trade? I will, because I'm gonna take 20 to 30 points and run away. Nothing else to do. So we checked everything more or less. Okay. So this account is like, what we are doing technically is like creating discipline. Is nothing to achieve here big or something. You say, oh, you trade only little, 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 little. Look, little, little. We already made 1300 in 2 weeks. I mean, I know it's small, but it's all about like staying disciplined, staying green. I mean, as long as I don't go over leverage, I'll be happy with this challenge I'm doing. Challenge means it's challenging myself. Okay. So I'm just trying to be green, 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 going to another day, trying to be green, creating discipline. There's nothing else to do here. So it's not like a get rich quick program. It's just stay disciplined, stay little, focus on your, little gains, accumulate. By this time, we are learning price action. Look, so many things we learn over this. If you see all these live stream, you'll see like there are values there. Maybe the entry was right. Some of the entry I didn't keep it, but a direction was right sometimes. I was lots of time, my direction, my thinking, the bias was all right. Only problem was execution. Execution was not that good, because if the execution was good, and execution is good, but the problem was that managing the trade was not that good. You could say I missed out quite a lot of, let's say, what is it called? They call it leaving something on the table or something like that, isn't it? So we left quite a lot of profit on the table. We didn't grab it. That could be the one of the fault. I mean, trading error. What Mark Douglas will say. So people lose money because of trading errors. So this was one of the errors, maybe, that leaving money on the tables. So that can happen, it's like a experience things. You don't know how to trust, but slowly, slowly we'll improve. That's the things. So yeah, the main purpose is of this channel is to be disciplined. I might lose this account. Hopefully I don't get over leverage. That's my only goal. If I go over leverage, I know that I could do something silly. But if as long as I don't go over leverage and don't take a big loss in one day, then we again try to gather up the money. Look, even so low risk, still I made on that week around 500, let's say, or 1 2 3, yeah, 400, let's say. So I mean, like, zero risk, kind of like, because I was trading with only one micro. So this week hopefully I can trade with two micro maybe, but I'm not sure today. Today is very complicated. Look at this. After that news, they just from there to here, they just in a straight line, and they boxed here. What do you expect from here? I don't expect nothing. So I'm just saying, like, I'm not convinced that they should go down. Hopefully they go up, but we'll trade accordingly. I'm telling you, if you don't understand where they are, according to ICT, go to higher time frame and try to find out where they're trading. So let me see a little bit something. I think something. I need to just a second. Okay, there are 4 minutes left. You guys analyze as well, and then try to understand what they're doing. Let me really do certain things. Have I done anything wrong? Let me see. Checking my. Yep. So should be all right now. The market is opening very soon, guys. We have to see, like, what they do. Today, tricky day, but hopefully we do well. You guys analyze as well. I don't know today what they're doing, so let me analyze as well, okay? Because it's after the news, they're waiting for another news, so there is no other news. So I mean, we don't know what they're gonna do. Missile, Mr. Basin is talking. Treasury Secretary said so many things. Okay, 10 o'clock factory order, nothing else. Okay. All right. Alrighty, mighty. 1 minute left, or not 2 minutes. I think today we don't have a no trade in the beginning because I don't see any things. Other day it was so clear, I could understand, but today I don't know. I'm saying, like, I will expect for higher price. So this gap is still holding for me. Let me mark it out for 15 minutes gap. Sorry, I'm doing it in the other chart, so I mean you'll not see it, but you can understand from here. I'm talking about this 15 minutes. If you want to mark it, you can mark it. This is the low of the new week opening gap, okay? Because if I talk, I'll lose concentration. So this is the area we are thinking they're supporting. There is a failure swing there, so they're struggling on the 830. I'm still now expecting a little bit of higher price. But should I trade now? No, little bit. Let's see. If they come this area, let's say 83, and then how they behave. Maybe if they give us the entry here, then where I'm gonna put my stop loss? That's the question. Let's see if they trade here, this area, and after that they try to close back up again. Then we might try. Let's see if they give us a chance. I'll take a shot with one. Okay, so this area, come. Where are you gonna go? Look at this, stopped. Why this stop, man? Every time. Calm down. Calm down first, man. Calm down, calm down. Everybody is want to buy and sell. Because Monday, nah? They already taken out the low little bit. Minor liquidity they taken out. I'm not satisfied how they came. They should have come little bit more down. If they now go, I don't have nothing to do. Because they're gonna gyrate. They have to go out from this area. Anyways, it's interesting things. Let us watch. I was expecting them to at least give me like that quick something, but they're taken out these lows and then they're trying to accumulate. Very, very difficult price action. So we have to be careful today, okay? So let's see, they're coming down. Weekly midpoint, touched it. Now trying to close up. I want them to tiny bit give me more. Come on, don't go. Give us tiny bit, don't create it. They're not satisfied. Short-term trader. Okay, now they jump down. All right, okay, all right, no problem. Okay, so now let's see how they react from here. Practically a little bit. Okay, they're coming down back again. I need to see what they're doing. 1 hour. Okay, fine. Yeah. So this low. Let's see how they trade. I wanted to buy it, but the thing is that it will be like a not good to buy. Yeah, still they're holding. Still they're holding. Let's see if they. All right, yeah, it's fine. Let them trade. Let's see how far they can go. Let's see. Because they're trading from the midpoint and they're going down. There is no gap yet. So we are just observing. They're still in the consolidation. Yeah, they're doing consolidation still now. All right, guys, trying to close on the top of that. Hopefully, they give us entry here. So much eager to buy it. Let me see the. I should not do B FOMO. I really want to enter from here. I don't know. I should have done it, yeah, but I entered it. I'll put my stop loss anyways. Don't worry. Yeah. If they take me out, I'll take this $50 loss because they didn't take out the low, I think. It's a little bit tricky, but I'm telling you, if they can create like a little, I don't think they're doing it. They're coming down maybe. They should have done it. Come on, man, do that. Show a sign. So let's see if they how they trade. This candle should be closing high quickly because they didn't take out any liquidity. That's the only problem. If they don't go higher now, I'm just toasted. Mm, 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 mm. If they go high now, it will be a, I mean, it will be a good entry. But the problem is that, yeah, they should go high. I don't know why they're not going high. At least to take out something from the top. Because the only problem is they didn't take out liquidity. I think I'll have a loss. It's all right, man. If you don't do it, you're not gonna do it. This is coming down to take out these lows, I think. On the top, what they taken? Nothing. Yeah, now you cannot trust it anymore. Trust has gone. You know what? I'm just coming out with one quickly, but this can even work back again. Anyways, let them work out. Taken the first loss of the week. Good job. Don't want them to trigger me right now. Okay. Now they taken out this low. All right. What are you gonna do? Yeah, because I have to keep my initial things straight. That I was thinking to technically going higher price. I was thinking, but it's like inside the consolidation. It's not a good trade, but it is what it is. What can we do? So yeah, there is no gap yet. I just took a chance. Hmm. So much FOMO to enter back again. Seriously, man, you're not gonna do it. I'm not gonna enter from there for sure. You trade at 9:30 now. If they create a gap, I'm trading. Just today, now I'm gonna wait. They did not create a gap. So they basically came from a 930 price. This time, let me see. It could be, I could be toasted, yeah? Because this one, they do it all the time on Monday. This is bad, I should have entered it before to anticipate it because this can, because they're already taken out this low. This is a proper FOMO entry. Don't follow my trade. Don't follow it. Don't follow it yet. Only one way they can save it is like if they plan to really, really go down. I just got into a consolidation. Sorry for that. It was very bad trade. Don't follow me. Don't follow this trade. I would say it's a very bad trade. What I did. Some in the consolidation. Definitely bad trade. Very, very bad trading. Only hope that they will take out this low. That was a bad trading. Hope they close it and then save us. Idea was very bad. I'm. This was bad. Seriously, seriously bad. Very, very stupid trading this one because then we don't know where the because this is in the consolidation. Still, we might they might go down for a while, but not sure. This is pure consolidation. We don't know. Still now. But my stop loss definitely has to be on the top of this one. I mean, I don't want to lose here. If it go down, I'll drag it until there, but I'm not sure it's going down. There is a little, I mean, hope that they close down on that. There is like a little gap here, 1 minute gap just there. That one inverted. If this candle closed down, then hopefully that. But it's such a stupid entry. It was not a good entry. I'm telling you, if they consolidate now, we are toasted for sure. Yeah, and I think I'm toasted. You know what? I'll just come out saying that I did a bad entry. This is the only candle. Let's see how they close. They're closing on the top of that gap. So we don't know. 50-50 everything. My hand is on the trigger. So I mean like I'm gonna take little loss, like a paper cut. This was not a good trade. Exactly I got FOMO, but because understandable they'll do something. Such a bad trading. I'm just only trading from 1 minute chart. I didn't even check the higher time frame, nothing. Because higher time frame said if they close down, there will be big downside. Not good, not good. Don't follow my trade, okay? Like a not a no. I'm a novice trader. Just a stupid trade that one was. If I could, I would have cut it because my loss is just little. But the thing is that will you be able? Then I have to go a little bit higher. It's bad trading though. Definitely taking me out. Yeah, I'm coming out. Coming out with a little bit. I'm gonna trade with a little bit bigger size now. Only hoping that they gonna close down on the top of. I'm entering already. I could be both side, yeah. It could be seek and destroy. Should have let them go up first. Today's I could lose money. I think I'm trading very very bad. Just keeping my initial bias, what I had it, the buy side, very very bad, man. Just sell one to take out a little bit of something because anytime they can do something. Hopefully they take out the high. At least one. No, no, no. They already taken out from. Seriously, man. They taken out from the NQ. They didn't take out from the MNQ. Okay, done. So this one stop loss has to be, where did they gone? Okay, on the top. Am I satisfied with that? What they gonna do now? Okay, they taken out the high. Uh, okay, let's see how they behave here. If they created a gap here, and then we'll see. They should have gone a little bit higher. I don't know why they didn't go. Anyways, a little bit recovered it. I could have come out and then just, I mean, recovered the losses. As I didn't do it, I'll just come out with a loss. I have to be on this. Not good, not good. I'm not trading good today because my completely they taken out the all the highs from there. Look, see this equal high. How this candle will be? They should come at least here accordingly, but they didn't do that. I'm trading from 1 minute chart, so they created a little gap here. Now is the there, so that is the only hope that they will. Um, or if they invert this gap, then we'll see how the 930 price they traded now. Can they close on the top of what is it called, new week opening gap? That's the question. Or they're gonna break down. They should have gone tiny bit high. They didn't. So it's 43. Next 1 minute, 15 minutes candle is within 1 minute. Not good. Should have come out and resetted myself here because all this liquidity they taken. So now they sweep the high. Now will they inverted this gap? I'm not gonna look at that chart actually. I hope they now give me a quick yes, okay. They're struggling. Okay, so my could be a they've taken out all the highs from the top. Okay. All right. No problem. This gap we are still they holding. Hopefully they keep it up. They should close on the top of that. Then we'll put into break even. Okay. So next candle is within few minutes. I don't know what's gonna happen because this candle didn't extend. So tricky price action. And I'm trading like a stupid. Not happy. Seriously, I'm gonna take a stop loss down there in this candle. That's it. And then I'll after that I'll regroup and I'll try to trade. I think is they could come down as well right now because this one is 15 minutes now. The next 15 minutes candle is starting. We don't know where it is. Look, this is the indecision candle, completely 50-50. Now will they go up or down? Now this is 50-50. I have to take loss. I have to take this loss. They traded that 1 minute gap. Now, will they be able to close on the top of the 930 price? Still now they're struggling. I'm trading from 1 minute chart. Seriously, I'm just should have not done like that. But hopefully they extend. And if they close on the top of that, we'll have a good hope to that it will go to somewhere else. Let's see how they close this candle. If they create any kind of order block, then I'm gonna try to do something better. Okay, let's see if they go high, then hopefully it will create a good trade. Hopefully for us, at least to this high. Hopefully, don't come back now, man. This is the low, but I'm not sure. Today is just they still now look at this range. They created and they're still now inside that one. Not good, not good. So where they can come? Let me just have a look. Sorry. This gap 903, 903, 903, 903. We'll see if they go on the top of that. If they can cross that area, it will be a good chance of. But for me, I should just this one now how they close. Let's see. Now I don't want to lose under this one anymore. But they taken out. They can if it is seek and destroy day, they will come back. They didn't close. See, they're not doing well. I shouldn't have that quickly decided a little bit low of this candle here. So now the question will be, Will I go break even? My target should be TP should be there is a order block here. Okay, this area. I don't know. I know you cannot see it. My if they go there, I'll just take the profit out, and then after that, I'll think. Look, there is a 1 minute candle there. I don't know if you call it order block, but this is the kind of things, you know. If this one they break it now, hopefully it should hit our tepe 903, 901. Let's say we are targeting 901, 901, 901, and then they okay just on the top of that they struggling, didn't do it. See how bad they are because they didn't create any gap here. So that's the only this can come down. No good. What are you gonna do? Huh. One tick lower than here. If you see what they did, the price was 95. I was hoping there. So yeah, the one tick down than this one. They're not gonna hit us. Come on, man. You can do that. Today I didn't research nothing, just trading like a donkey. Let me do a little bit of research. So 9:30 open, and then this is 44. What is 9:30? Come on, shameful trading. Very bad guy. Yeah. So now they hopefully they just extend. Come on, boy, extend it until at least this price, at least this gap. Come on, you can do that. You can do that, buddy. Hit us. They come here, they're not taking it. Shall I just come out? Say, oh, I'm just keeping it. I could take out and just say, okay, I'm green. I'm just keeping it. I don't know why. I'm having fun. I don't care about this loss anymore now. At least, I was right with the buyers that I said, oh, the prices should go high, and then I was shorting. That was the stupid things I did. If I didn't do that, I know I would be all right. But look at this, what they're doing. Is it a good price? Not really, because they're gonna extend and they can come down to 930 again. Because they're not creating any gap. So yeah, might even get a stop out. Let's put it a little bit down because there is a no wick candle here. If they now go down, I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is the area because they're very tricky price action. Very, very tricky. Proper tricky price action. My everything is like all the analysis is because they taken out the high, they can even go to the other side because it's like a proper seek and destroy kind of price action. Not good. 930 price, they again stopped here. And this candle, if they have to go, they have to close on the top. Do you understand? Like that is the things. So now let's, as we taken risk, this candle, if they don't extend, we are toasted. Come on, you already traded everywhere, man. Just go. This candle should extend now, hopefully, because there is a tricky point there as well. Like, there is a little tricky point there. Hope they don't stop. Come on. Nothing is creating, no gap, nothing, here, you see, struggling. What I do? You tell me. They can fall from there. That's the only things. If they fall, I'm just toasted. If this candle, they don't go high, I might come out. They should have just gone. Because 51 now is macro time. They're not even extending. They should extend, man. Come on. Market maker, extend it. People are selling. You can take it higher. If they close on here on the top, little bit higher, they have to close. On the top of the new week, they closed it. Now I'm little bit hopeful. Little bit hopeful, not too much. but tiny bit hopeful that they should go high. But this candle has to take out. If they go down now, create a here, I should just say thank you very much, because they will deep down a little bit more. Not liking it, they should not stop here. They should, this candle should go up. If they close, I'm out because I don't want to take further risk. This is stupid trading what is going on right now. They don't know where they're gonna go. Absolutely rubbish trading. Whatever they're doing, yes, trying. Come on, yes, yes has more chance to go high. I don't know why and what is an NQ will retrace and then it will go high. That's what I'm thinking. But now what they're doing, I'm really not liking it. Not liking it, but hey, we came out. Sorry for that. Whoever with me, I just came out because if they how they coming, they could just extend, man. Not good, not good. It's all right. We'll get it back, hopefully. Yeah, I could have come out there, but sometimes you feel like. But from there as well, still now is not bearish yet. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Monday, Monday, Monday. We have to keep our. I have to keep my composure because Monday I lose money. Monday is the day it always happen. Oh, I've got 3 people watching. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry for that I didn't trade well, but this is got a chance of going higher. Okay, I just came out, but they again trying. Okay, so 9:30. Now the question is, uh, am I entering? Because the only problem is ES really got more upside to trade. NQ traded on this leg. Yeah, they already traded their area. Only thing I can say, I can trust, let's say, the 9:30 price. Rather than that, I don't see anything because look, this one came down. What are they doing? I don't want to trade like this, seriously. Because I didn't take that trade. What is the point of taking a trade right now? Let them create a gap. The first presented gap is this one, I guess. If you see, if I go to 1 minute, this gap. So they traded there, they traded, came back again. I know, don't know, they're coming back down again. So if they close under, we'll try to short it. But my shorting was not my plan. Look, I was here. Remember, I was talking about this candle, this kind of candle in the middle of the run. They are very problematic price. Look at this, where they stop, and look at what he's trying to do. So now they properly traded. Look, this one already traded how far, and this one didn't. See, that's the thing I'm saying. MNQ and NQ price action is completely. Look at this one came up to there. Look, this one still didn't come. This one just trading the midpoint of that price. Okay, let's focus. Let's focus. Get our things back. So now they traded the first presented gap back again. So now will they create a order block? If they create order block, I'm jumping back again. This candle gonna say it. Looks like they're gonna do it. I can take a chance, but the problem is that taking chances are not good. Let them create the order block. Then yeah, this can be a buy, but they have to create proper order block. Otherwise, I don't trust it. This time they have to close on the top of that. Then I'll next candle maybe we'll try, but this is not a good one to buy yet because they need to close down properly. Today I've completely traded from 1 minute. Yeah, 15 minutes. Look, fast 15 minutes is like a indecision candle. The second 15 minutes now is still showing indecision. No bearishness, no bullishness, trading like a proper donkey. All right, now they created a order block here. This one is good. So now the question is, do you have the guts to enter back again? That's the question. I will enter back. I don't care. Sorry, I trade short term like that, but this one can come down because this one didn't have a manipulation down there. If they come down, I'll come out. I'll take loss. It's all right. But if they go up, it will be a good trade, hopefully. Don't follow my trade, please. I'm saying, because I trade very quick, in and out like that. Okay. So just if you are watching me, just see what I do. It's like fun, nothing else. This one, look, this it didn't work. There's some saying don't follow this kind of trade because I trade very quick. If they now go down here, I will take a loss because if they go down, then this means it's problematic. Okay. So this is I'm taking more losses. Okay. So this time if they work, they should work more. Because this is what they're doing. They can easily close down. Because what they're doing, they should not come down anymore. They already traded the area what they traded. Okay. So if they need to go up, this is the area they should go up because they should not come down anymore because it's 10 o'clock price is 10 o'clock is coming soon. So 10 o'clock, what they're gonna do? They have to take one of this side or that side. So my idea is they should go high. I trade with very low leverage. That's the only things, good things about that. Things look this one to cover this loss. Hopefully, I can cover it in one trade. But the problem is that I might if I'm tra keep trading like that, I'll do mistakes. Only I'm hoping that my idea is right that to go up. So that's what I'm hoping for, okay? Because but the trade that I'm taking is not good today, and I'm not taking the profit. That's the thing. Look, if I took the profit, I would be now break even. This trade would be my bonus, and I would be done for the day. But I'm just too much, trying to show off. Maybe I don't know because I'm trading live. But I'm happy that up to now the idea was right. The direction was right. Direction was to go up. It is all right. But only thing is that is not going. That's the only problem. So this one showing good sign. Hopefully they close on the top of that because 10 o'clock coming, it can do anything, buddy. They can even fall from there. Look at this. Look at this. What they're doing. It's not good sign. 10 o'clock can be a brutal one. Come on, 10 o'clock. 10 a.m., man. Come, this one give me and then I'll be happy. Yeah, please. At least give me here, touch it and then fall. Don't go now. They've taken out this high already, 10 o'clock. Yeah, they should go higher. I think we'll go break even, then we'll think about it. Okay. If they give us like a quick bang, 905 they didn't look 909 900 they went. So this is again, what am I doing mistake? You think not taking the money? Such a dilemma going on, man. I think this one should hit this time. I hope they hold it on the top of the price. No, they're not doing it because they're, why? The prices, when they're inside the new week opening gap, is always problematic. So still now that little green candle here, if you check it on your chart, this one is creating all the problem. The one good thing is that they created a little gap here. Now don't inverse. That's the only problem. Here, look, there's a little gap. So now if they invert, I'm toasted. But if they support, now they already traded this little gap. I hope they don't stop here. Because today's I told you this the price action is very, very tricky. If they go, they should go to the maybe the other side. I don't know. Such a price action today, see? Problematic price action. They already reached to this gap, so they can easily fall back right now. Okay, because this one they invert. What should I do? Come out and run. After 10 o'clock, they inverting. I'm not gonna like it. If they invert, I'm out. If they inverted already, I'm not sure now. Now will they, because they didn't extend it, right? That's the only hope. You know what? If I come out, you'll see that they'll go high. This candle, come on, do something, man. Do something, do something. They're not doing nothing, man. It's just a stupid price action. So now, if they fall, it's very, very bad sign for me. Yeah, I don't like it because they actually could toast me. I'm saying it, keep saying it, but they could toast me. Yeah, they're coming down. How bad is it, you tell me? See money, take money, man. I said it to myself on that day that I'm gonna keep taking those $50 profit. Then I could have just have like $100 easily, but I'm not taking those money out. I don't know why. Because I think I'm live streaming. One of the problem is that you get addictive. People think they have to take a big trades and things like that. But only why I'm holding this one. I would have long time ago come out because these things didn't extend. So that's the only things I'm hoping because from there it can be problematic. They can just fall. But if they can close on the top of that, this could go higher. But that's what I'm saying. Like it's not a it's like a proper 50-50 trading. So this candle, if they close now, we are a proper toasted. But if I come out and then it go high, I'll be upset as well. So that's why I'm just holding. But this is not a good sign. But this one, how they trade it is not a good thing. So they will go back again. You'll see. Proper bad trading. I have to say, this is not good trading at all today. What should I do? What should I do? Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. This is not good. Yeah, they're saying they're coming down. Market maker told me that you're taking too many chances because this one can go a little bit more down and then maybe go high. Hope that this is the area they stop because this one as they the problem they created they already there is a little gap there they inverted. Now the question is will they be able to close it down on the top of that because but if they do it they should dig down and then do it. But what I'm doing, I'm holding the trade and taking losses. Question mark. Because this is a sign of no trading. Because if they fall, they could be brutal. Hmm. So this is the last price. I hope that they from there they do something. Otherwise, there has to be a big candle. Otherwise, there is no chance. They have to go up fast. They have to create an order block. Problematic price. Very much problematic. Sorry for that, like I should trade a little bit better than this so that at least to my viewers. No, 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 no. You seeing my emotion and everything. Okay, that's what is the problem. And that's what I'm actually sharing my journey because you can see like, if I'm like stressed when I'm taking trade. I was not basically, but this one, still now is telling me the smell is going up, but they're not doing it because from there, if they fall, it will be brutal because it can go any side. What should I do? You tell me. Chat, tell me, please. Because they traded the inverse gap with this one, so they didn't invert it. You know what? For a while, maybe we'll come out, then we'll see. Okay, let's come out. Because it's not a good price, the timing is not good. Took 52 is fine now, which is a loss is not a big deal. Only thing is after 10 o'clock, they inverted this area. Let them close on the top of that. Sorry, I cannot show you from here. This one, look, 1 minute. Why I'm a little bit concerned is this one, look. So they're trading this gap and then they're now trying to fall down. So anything can happen from here. They can trade 930 back again and then close it down. But higher price is better to trade. But I don't know. Today I'm just, because I'm taking too many trades. They are gyrating. I don't know what they're doing. I should have traded little. Let's let them close on the top of that. Let's see. If they go up, this is the area they should go up from. Okay. Because they traded everything they need to trade. Extension should be there. I don't know why it's not coming. Let me see. Let me see. 1 hour already closed it. Yeah. Everything saying they should look is closing down back again. Just I came out and then immediately look. So my entry was here. How far they went? 99, and then this one went to 9,000. Okay, next candle, I should enter back again. Only thinking that because I have to enter because otherwise I'll say I didn't try because this one doesn't look good to me. It's not like a things to reverse from there. Okay, look at it. Did you see? You like it now? So what should I do? Completely come out. Somebody said something maybe. Yeah, take loss. Take loss, say thank you. These things can happen. See? Bad trading, है bad trading, bad trading, bad trading. Today should be cautious. How many trade I took, and then this is another problem, when they basically not good doing nothing, you trading hundreds of trade. This is another problem for a newbie, like a inexperienced trader, okay? So I should not, I should like little bit now wait. Nothing else to do here now. Look, they traded this gap. They went high. They're in between these two gaps. Yeah. So 10-10. Is there any news there? Nothing. I don't know why they were like US factory of durable goods. There was nothing. But let's see. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. I'm observing the price now. I have to be careful, if I don't take big losses. That's the only things I have to be careful because I was not taking this money out. That was my mistakes. Values on the right, middle, left, right. All right, perfect. Okay, it's all right. Still now, nothing happened. Okay, higher price still. I'm not abandoning my higher price idea. Okay, because as soon as they'll do it, I'm jumping back again with a little bit bigger this time because the price is still now on the top of 930. Okay, so again they came back to that 1 minute gap. I'm just hoping they'll invert. That is the only thing. I'm gonna be out with one sell one over there. Uh, where is it? This area for sure. First one, whatever it does, because I need to just recover a little bit of losses. Hope they close it quickly. That's the only things I'm thinking. Yeah, one done. So another one, I have to take it out here because I as I lost it, I don't want to take risk this time. Hope they give me another one. That's it. They need to just go fast if they have to go. No, didn't do that. See, this one I need to extend it. That's why I don't see where the price is. 903. 903. They should hit it. 903. Come on, you can do that, buddy. You're not that bad. You're a good person. Market maker, please. No, market maker, market maker, market maker. Taken out the high, no extension. How bad they are. They're very bad. Stop loss 100% here. I'm not gonna, I don't want to lose anything here, okay? So now the question is where they're going. I'll be out at 28. TP 28 here. Here out, and then after that, I don't know, truly speaking. Take a little bit. Very bad. You're gonna take out this high or not? This high is where is 24. Nah, they're not gonna do it now. Should have taken that things out first. Like last time, I don't want to do any mistake. First, let's take these things out and then now wait for a entry back again. If they give us entry. This time I don't want to do stupid things. Okay. Now I'm waiting for an entry. Okay. So now I'm trading like in a better version. So this was the target I was targeting. So 13 they went, they should not stop here. Next candle, they should give us entry on the top of these things. Critical price. Idea was everything was good, but they scared us. Anyways, it's fine. It's part of the game. We need to do it back again. At least we recovered it, okay? So yeah, they now trading on the top of that. Now let's see how they trade this gap. Come down, come down a little bit more, buddy. You can do it. Little bit down, little bit down, little bit down, little bit down. No, he didn't do it. Didn't touch the area, but that's it. I hope they trade the. They didn't. Okay. So that downside, this one I should have re-entered back again. But only thing I didn't like it because they didn't traded this gap. This gap was not. Let's see next candle what they do. 15. Next 15 minutes candle is starting. Now I'm like leverage is down, okay, because that one was understandable to take out this side, okay. That's why I entered. You can say, oh, why did you enter from there? They traded this still now they were not bearish. So now the next 15 minutes candle is starting right now. 1 hour already. 1 hour got lots of things to do. See, I was not noticing the price. I was so much inside the. This one already traded the. Sorry, I didn't see it, man. This is already. I entered again, re-entered again. I hope I'm just. I should have entered it from there. Entry was bad, not good. Should be better entry. Not good, not good. Don't fall, yeah. Such a price, you see, is not good at all. I should not trade in this market right now. Oh, why did I just pressed it by mistake, sorry. This gap, let's see if they hold it or if they invert. It's 50-50 trading today. Everything is 50-50. Coming down back again. I'm back again. Just to like take a little scalp, yeah. Stop loss definitely has to be under this one. But the problem is that it's not matured yet, yeah. Just have to take out something, the previous loss. No power in the move, yeah. So they can easily go down and back again. That's what I'm saying. They don't have power. See? No power. Not even taking out the high. See? That's what I'm saying. Give me my little bit, yeah. That's it. Yeah, I know you can go high. My mental capital is a little bit worn out, so that's why I'm not doing anything. Okay, because this one can easily do anything. But the entry was supposed to be from here, and then I mean, anyways, bad trading today. Anyways, regroup, sit down. But how they created this 15 minutes, if you see it, look at this. What they did. Anything can happen. Okay, because this gap is still holding. So let me see. Yeah. So until the closing on the top of that, we don't have no trading. Look, if I didn't come out, what they did, they came to stop me out. You see, this that's what I'm saying. Like, when its price is complicated, what they're doing right now, you just take money, see money, take money. Because today is Monday. Understandable that the price will be like this. I'm a short-term scalper, so I mean, I do like that, okay? With the understanding of the thinking that, where the market could go, how they're trading, I just take one side to another side. That's how I trade. Look at here. So I didn't take out the profit here. What they did, they given me this run. So then they gone high again, taken out this high. Now what they're doing, they no follow through. They came back again. Look, they taken out this. This one is the good side of this now maybe. But I'm not trusting anymore until the closing on the top of this 15 minutes gap. They're taking out this high. But the idea was still right. Look, but this one is a good low, I would say, right now. This is a good low. If I have the courage, I would have buy it from here. This is my problem. I always trade small things. Like say here, I'm gonna be out. If they go down, I don't know. I'll come out because my leverage is my stop loss. Okay, it was a stupid trade I took again. Today is like such a bad trading, man. But this one should take out this high for sure. For not for sure. Sorry, nothing is sure in this world. One-to-one trade you're not gonna give us, man. Just take out this high, then fall. This 15 minutes gap is still holding. Okay, so that's the thing. If they cross, it actually should cross quite a big. But the problem is that this 15 minutes is still holding. So another few seconds left. Let's see if they can do something about it. Can you quickly? You have to be fast. No, 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 no. I'm out. Now why did I, pressed it by mistake? Sorry for that. This one is a good one. This trade should be a good trade. What did I do? Now I'm feeling like re-enter back again. Until to that high. Seriously, man. Bad trading, bad trading. Let me stand up, have some tea or coffee. This is just all right, all right, all right. All right, all right. Back again, back again. Re-entering back again for I'm not gonna be a little bit of breakout trader maybe. Let's see if they got any power. My last stop loss is here for sure. I don't want to lose more than that. Okay, so if they don't go, but I want to be part of this if they do something. Only to take out this high, whereas this high is on the 24. If they go high, they could go high 40, at least there. I'll not maybe stay that long because this will be a big candle if they go high. How they're trading is not a good trading environment. Okay, losing would be definite. Just only I saw that they closed down on the top of that, but will they extend? That's the question. I don't feel like trading today, man. It's just a proper, I'm just seriously not feeling like trading today. It's not doing nothing. See? But if they go there, they should go at least here. What are they doing? Should I trade this kind of environment? You telling me? They're not doing nothing. They're just gyrating. Price action is just no price at all. But if they go high, there will be a big, big trade. But what they're doing right now is just giving you pain and pain. This is just not a good trading because they don't have no news, nothing. Yeah, this is not good sign. Take this loss. If I take this loss, I have to stop kind of trading because it's like what they're doing. This is the last candle they can trade, but the stop loss actually should be here. But the thing is that, I mean, what they're doing right now is not a good things they're doing. It's just I'm trading in a chop because this is easily can this one can be a it's just not good. Breakout trader. If I come out, then you'll see the next candle will go high. But the problem is that I should come out because I should not even give up something because this will not hold now. If it is a gyration, they will completely take me out back again, and then they will fall back again. So not a good shine. Yeah, let's take the stop loss. That'll be good because taking stop loss is one of the things I need to learn back again. So where should be my stop loss was supposed to be there. It will be too much big stop loss, huh? Hmm. But the thing is that not taking stop loss is another problem of mine as well. Okay, because this is what they're doing is just coming down, going up. But the entry could be here. It would be nicer. I said it. I'm not gonna trade bad, but I'm trading bad anyways. We got 5 minutes to decide. Okay, 5 minutes left. Let's see how they trade. Not good trading condition. Trading condition is good. I'm not trading well. That's the things. Because I'm trading this side, that side, every side. If this one now can close on the top of this, there is a gap they created here. If they invert, they're trading proper bad. Now they're trying to invert it. Let's see how they invert or not. Now they're holding it, which is again a bad sign. Let's see how this candle trade. Not good. Today was one of the worst trading. ES already reached to the midnight opening price. Now how they trade, that's the question. Will ES extend from there or they will this one holding the price, this gap. ES created this one. If ES extend, NQ might extend to a new midnight open. I'm trading with myself now. It's not a good price, man. I just came out. Sorry for that. Cannot take it. ultimately it will go high, but to me, it look like, not financial advice, just I'm talking to myself, okay, just saying that it might go high and it will go high maybe to at least to the other side or today's high. Today's like nothing happened up to now. Truly speaking, is just trading inside the range. Next candle, what they're gonna do? Let them take out some liquidity. I hope they go down a little bit. Okay, tiny bit down, no? You cannot do that? Not really. If you go down, I'm holding this gap. So they traded, they didn't take out the high. I'm definitely gonna be buyer for a while, but I want a better price than this. They should give me some kind of a that, yeah. All right. Okay. Not bad. Go down a little bit more. No, maybe this one I'll entry, but it's bad because the next kind of the only thing I'm hoping that they didn't take out this high. At least the entry is a little bit better than the previous one, but they didn't dig inside anymore. I mean, not that much. Could be better entry. Yeah, sorry for that. Today is just trading here and there everywhere. Okay. Yeah, not good, not good, man. The next little bit later, 72, 72, 72. All right. Holy moly. So they inverted. Hmm. Now I don't know, man. Because this and how they're doing it. This is the area concerning. They came back to 930 price again. Tilted today. Proper tilted. So these are the price. They should. They're not trending at all. They closed it. Will they close on the top of that? That's the question. Can they? You see, very bad entry. Back again. They came to now rebalance the price. Can the next candle close on the top of that? That's the question. But how they're trading is not good. They created gap. So there's a little gap here they created. Can they go on the top of that or they're gonna fall from here? That's the question. Will they inverse? This is not good. I should come out and take loss because this one I normally enter from this kind of area to go down, but today is like 50-50 everything. So let them close on the top of that. I'll trade with higher prices. All right. Not good, not good. Hmm. Today proper tilted. Sorry for that. This one came to trade on this order block. Still now we got chances, yeah. They closed it on the top. Now they let's see how they trade here. I'm gonna be buyer anyways. I don't know how I'm gonna enter. Let's see what they do. Because this is just gambling entry kind of. If you take it, this price, just the entry was not good. There should have been better entry than down there. Just hoping that they will hold this inversion. That's the only things, And then they didn't take out any liquidity. That's the only things I took this trade for. Okay, so I mean nothing else. Now they already in the first gap they were. No idea why they're not gonna take the high. They have to do it with power now. If they don't, I'll take out one and then I'll wait for the next one. Because I cannot be negative because this is very small account and then I mean I cannot sustain a loss. So I have to keep taking profit. It's a momentum kind of trading. Okay, so if it doesn't take out the high, I'll just take profit and I'll sit down. But I'll keep my idea of it to go up because I'm trading what is it called? To go up. So I mean they came down. Hope they don't stop. They should I'm not putting a stop loss because it might spike. So because the only thing is because I'm trading with one. How much is gonna give me one spike? I'll come. You see that I normally come out. Even $100, $200, $500 loss, I'll come out because my leverage is my stop loss. So the thing is that they don't have power. They already traded on this 15 minutes gap and then it's still holding. That's the scary part of it. So this candle, I don't want them to go down and close it. If they do that, we'll see what to do. Because the ES traded the midnight opening price. ES taken out the high as well. So now anything can happen. So what should I do? I might even come out now for a while because I don't know what they're gonna do now. If they don't have power now, if they don't go up with harshly, let's say, with power right now, they might do something funny here because he has taken out some sort of a liquidity here. If they don't go 35 already, yeah? 35. I need to notice the time as well. It's like anything can happen. He has taken out the liquidity, but they just proper waiting. There's nothing to trade. They're setting up to fall, maybe. I don't know. Still holding, man. Come on. Not doing anything. I got tilted, today. You know what, bro? Take the loss and then again sit down to set it up because it's not a good sign that they didn't go up. Yeah, let them close, we'll have trade. Not good, not good. So they still now they didn't do nothing. So price is already crossing 1030. Normally I don't even trade until this time, but I'm today holding. See, this is the things. When you get tilted, just don't lose the mind. That's the only things we need to be careful about. It's okay.
But this is still got chances of doing something good. Let's see, another 7 minutes left to close this candle. So this one is trading from only side I see is going up. I don't see down here. I don't know why I'm not trading up. I don't know why. But I'm seeing only because I'm still believing they're holding this gap. This gap. I have to believe in this gap. Nothing else I have. As my bias is going up, and then if I don't believe in this gap, I'm not trading good. I just only think that they close quickly somewhere, at least this area 27. Then I don't know what they're gonna do, but at least there they should just rush through it. I don't know why they're not doing it fast. They should have just gone like quickly there, and then after that I don't know. Taking out the high, now they're trying back again. I don't know. But this one, this candle should not stop. They already gained back the things what they need to do. Now they need expansion. They really, really need expansion, at least until 26. That will be the high of this side. 24, yeah, 24, even 24, let's say 25, let's say like around there. He's not gonna take it. It's like absolutely rubbish. Rubbish price action, man. I don't like it anymore. You know what? The stop loss is there in case it just spike. Today is like such a bad trade. I cannot believe what I traded. We'll see that they look the spike and they didn't take out this high. Look, so 17 they spiked. Don't come back again. I don't like it anymore. See, what should I trade? You tell me. So they came back to this gap back again. So they're just taking high and then just coming back again. Taking high, coming back again. How bad they are. So now they're taking out these highs and they're coming back again. What should I do? They're taking out all the liquidity and then they just okay, still holding this gap. So now what? This candle, are they expanding or not? Question remain. It's very, very bad price, man. I should call it a day today because it's like, but expansion is so due. But I'm trading bad. That's why like look, I lost my mental capital now, and I cannot even hold my trade now. I feel like come out, but this is maybe the extension happening right now. But it's ugly price. Only things I can say that they're happy about it that the prices I was thinking was like calling was right. I don't know about this side is gonna take it or not. Again, they're taking out this high. Again, they're waiting. Again, they're gonna give us pain, you think? Or they're gonna take us 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 22, 22. Come on, come on, hit us. 24, man. I'm just out, yeah. Couldn't take the pain because this is going high. I'm just not trading, seriously. I think they're taking this high. Looks like it. You see, it should taken this high, trade this area. There's a gap. They should trade all these things up. But who am I to tell these things? Because they're closing now. Let them close, and then hopefully they don't take it because this will take it now going high. So what they created? Look here, there is no gap showing, but there is a gap in. Look, it's reached my target, what I maybe was targeting. 24, isn't it? It's reached my target now. Today I'm toasted, so I have to just regroup. Regroup. Now they've taken out the high. Hmm. You know what? Let's summarize the day. I think we did what we did. I don't know if I'm gonna trade later on. I might, but in the live stream today, I traded proper bad. So I have to admit and I have to say these things. Anyways, this live streaming is for me as well because I just keep it for my, let's say, lesson. So this today's lesson was that I was like not 100%. I was a bit like feeling not that 100% well. I have some cold. So, but it's still like I was trying to be too much confidence coming from all these green days. So I can do it. So I didn't take those profit like the last Friday. So yeah, this is the punishment. So I should, how I trade, I take quite a lot of trade and just keep trading. Look, now the run will start. I'm not part of it because you know why? Because I lost my mental capital. So these are the learning curves. But good thing that I didn't ended up red later on. I had more than $100 loss. Now at least I'm ending up with $33 profit. So I'll take it as a green day. I mean, it's nothing shame on a green day, isn't it? But I didn't trade it well today, so that's the ultimate things. So I could have traded better. So because the market was just gyrating, the timing didn't follow. So now they're expanding after exactly 30. Look, see. So this area, when they came this low, they traded this order block. I have to show you from this one because this one I don't like it anyways. Let me show you from there. So they came back. These things, look, this order block, they didn't close it. Okay. So one candle closed down this one. This gap is still holding. The next candle closed on the top of the 50% of that area. Look, this candle I'm talking about. So this fair value gap. So look, next candle closed. Next candle coming down. I wanted to buy it. I bought it from there. So then it came down here. Then I got a little bit confused. So then they inverted this little gap. Look at this run. So idea was absolutely all right. Execution is proper bad. Do you understand? So when they came back here, you get confused because they want to confuse you. But did it ever cross the 50% of this gap? This gap, 1 minute gap? No. So everything saying that they're kind of bullish, even though they chopping, chopping, chopping. The problem was that my entries are like from here, there, there, rather than the entry should be from these areas. This gap, if I entered it, will I get a stop out? No. If I enter it from this gap as well, this one I would have stop out because my stop loss would be here, but actually the your stop loss should be down below. But this one coming back, this kind of trade, I have to take it, especially when I'm feeling it that they'll this one I don't know somehow confused the next candle. This one could be an entry and stop loss can be there. So that was a mistake I did. So anyways, I re-entered it again and then I came out here and then came out there. That's the good thing I did. So that's the good understanding as well. To from here when they were going up, I bought it back, took some profit here, and then took another one here, and then I think another one here. So that's it. So at least I'm green. But trading wise, very bad trading. Now they reach to the 0 0. I don't know what they're gonna do. Midnight opening price. We'll try to analyze more next time. But this is a lesson as well. Initial idea was from the beginning, I said it initial idea is to buy. So stick to my buy, not selling. That would be the best things to do. All right, by saying these things, I'll say bye bye And sorry for the today's stream. I don't know what it will show here maybe later on. I'll take it as a green day. If I trade more, you'll see the profit will change. Okay. So I'm gonna stop here, I think, because there's no point of I'm trading like very bad and then I'm just showing it to you. It will be bad practice. I'm not showing anybody. Sorry, anyways, that's the wrong things to say. I'm just trading you seeing the emotional roller coaster I'm going through and how a person try to be funded and when live stream as well create lots of issues. Maybe I would have traded a little bit big and then take out those money and then I would have gone long time ago. Anyways, this is what it is. So at least one day, another day gone, and somehow we stayed positive. That's the good things we'll take it from this live stream today. You have a nice day, and hopefully I'll talk to you back again. Take care and see you tomorrow.